Another important enhancement is in the email processing. It is often the case that email systems, either at the sending or receiving end, only allow interaction with servers that do not use weak security algorithms or ciphers. By default, the protector allows any encryption method that is included in the supporting security layer. However, it also provides the ability to disable one or more ciphers if required by the peer. The list of allowed or disallowed ciphers can be found in the Email Setup menu in the TLS tab. Here, scrolling down to Ciphers, you can see the list that contain a predefined list of ciphers. To add a new ciphers to be disabled, enter the cipher name in the input field and click the plus button. The new cipher is added to the list and automatically set to disable. If you add a cipher that is already marked as disabled, the system won't allow you to do it.